that I can wear my shield. I can lower it, put it on. This is what we're building. My name is Roger Reyes. I'm the Assistant Director of the Suffolk Cooperative Library System. We're here at our headquarters in Belcourt, where we are processing 3D print masks for the Stony Brook University. So when someone came across a post of a couple that is producing these face shields for the personal protective face shields for emergency responders out of their home, and we decided that it's something that we could do here at Suffolk Cooperative Library System. We know many of our libraries have 3D printers, so we got into contact with Stony Brook University. Our outreach director, Valerie Lewis, contacted Stony Brook, and in turn, I was put in contact with David Becker. He is the director of the I Create lab at Stony Brook, and he actually built the prototype and the design. We weren't putting the foam on it, we weren't putting the elastic, just printing the piece for them. But we've gotten contact from some EMS centers, some other hospitals, some other libraries that know people saying, hey, can we make them the full shield? So within 3 days, we've gone from printing just the face shield to now we are actually working on building the full mask kit. So I would just like to express our gratitude to all the member libraries, the public libraries of Suffolk County, who've contributed the equipment, who bought new equipment. Those libraries who didn't have equipment are sending supplies, they're buying supplies to help us keep this going as long as we can. I'd like to thank Stony Brook University for getting us and letting us be involved with this with them and letting us help them, and the MakerBot for donating some stuff to make this easier and less expensive for our libraries.